Good morning, student. In chapter number 10, environmental pollution, as the names of the lesson only tells you, we talked about different types of pollution. Now, our environment, as you know, consists of different things. There is land, water, air. In air we have different gases, we have plants, trees, we have animals, and in animals we have human beings. Now, we get everything, whatever we need from this environment, but our environment is affected when many things are polluting the environment, and we also, human beings, influence the environment. Humans are doing many things and trying to develop in different ways in which we are harming the environment. So children, pollution is when harmful substances are mixed in the environment or introduced in the environment, or it is mixing with all the things like land, trees, or maybe animals or human beings, or your water, your air, all are affected by this type of harmful substances. And there may be dust, there may be noise, there may be garbage, there may be other products, chemical things which are acting as a pollutant. Now, what is pollutant? Pollutant are substances that causes pollution. And what is the spelling of pollutant? P-O-L-L-U-T-A-N-T, pollutant. So these harmful substances which are harming the environment or causing pollution is called pollutant. So all these things are polluting the environment, and we should do something to reduce pollution in our environment. Now, children, talking about different type of pollution, we did first we did air pollution. As you know, when harmful substances mix with the air and different gases, they causes air pollution. Now, different causes of air pollution may be smoke from the factories, or smoke coming out from when we burn the leaves, or the after harvesting, when the field is crops are the waste crops are burned. Not crops are not burned, the field farming things which are used as waste are burned. So this causes air pollution. Smoke coming out from the vehicles also causes pollution. When we burst crackers, as we said, it is noise as well as air pollution. When we cut down the trees, that also causes air pollution, because you know very well, children, that trees give us oxygen and they take carbon dioxide, which is harmful for us, and they take it because they need it for preparing their food, called photosynthesis. The preparation of food is called photosynthesis. So if you cut down the trees, that will increase the air pollution. So these are some of the causes of air pollution. So let us do an activity where you have to write 2 sentences on the following statements. Now, in the first question I have written, air pollution harms plants. Now, this is a statement given. You understand by statement? A sentence is given and you have to write 2 sentences elaborating on this statement, elaborating on this sentence. Okay. So air pollution, as we know, harms plants. Now, how do they harm the plants also? Not only they are harming the animals or human beings, they are harming the plants. Now, how they are harming the plants? Due to air pollution, plants do not get enough nutrients. This slows down their growth, they become weak and eventually die. Now, plants, as you know, when they are preparing the food, for preparation of food, they need water, they need minerals. carbon dioxide, and they need sunlight. Now in the air, if this balance is not done, there are harmful gases in the environment, so they will take in those harmful gases also along with their carbon dioxide, and that will affect their growth, and their they will be affected, and they will not grow, and not only grow, maybe due to these harmful gases in the environment, they may die also, eventually die, become weak, and they may die. So air pollution is very harmful because of this level of smoke and dust. The whole environment, means our surrounding, is very polluted, as you know. And we discuss about smog. Smog is when the smoke and dust mix with the fog. Fog is natural, but smoke and dust, they mix and they create fog, and it is very hazy. Visibility is very low. People can't see properly. Similarly, if there is smoke and dust particle in the air, the plants also will take in those things with the through their stomata, and they will also, that will harm their growth. They will not be able to grow properly, and they may eventually, these plants may die. Okay, so this is a cause of how air pollution harms the environment or plants. Okay. Next, coming to, we discuss about the land pollution. Now in land pollution, children, land or soil is polluted when harmful substances, again, when we release or when we throw them in the land or soil, and it is very harmful because we are living on the land, and we, animals, human beings, plants, they will all be affected. Because if it is, just imagine if there is open dumping yard in front of your house, every time you will be getting the bad odor, and that will affect you, and that will affect the whole house or animal or the human beings and plants around you. So what are the causes of land pollution or soil pollution? We discussed that when we throw solid waste, garbages, plastic packets, cans, water bottles, any household waste. Okay, means household waste, if it is from kitchen and it is organic, it mixes with the soil, but this non-biodegradable things don't mix with the soil, and they remain there for years after years and then harm them. We refuse that we throw from the fields, from the, means the farmers they throw, or the industries they throw, or the mines, from mines when they take out the minerals, whatever waste material they throw in the land and sand, means soil, that also pollute, and then all these things create a pollution, and pollution affects the soil also. So our next question is, land gets polluted when harmful substances are released in it. How land gets, how the soil, how the, now as you know, soil is formed when the rivers bring down the silt and alluvial, and they deposit in the land. But this, when we are throwing the garbage, as you know, plastic material which do not mix with the soil, and they remain in the soil for years after years, some millions of years. So garbage and refuse from the house, factories, mines and agriculture cause land pollution. It makes the soil infertile. So when the soil has to be fertile for growing crops, we are making it infertile, means we are making it barren, and it will not grow crops as we want, means the amount of crop we want, and the soil will become, slowly it will become barren. Okay, so this harms the living organisms which live in the soil, the plants, the trees, we human beings, animals, all will be affected by this land pollution. In the next module, we will talk about other two pollution. Thank you.